Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer webhook events into make scenarios, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer webhook events into make scenarios, start by logging into your make account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the scenario where you want to receive the webhook events. If you don't have a scenario yet, create a new one by clicking on the Create New Scenario button. Now, search for the webhooks module in the list of available modules. Drag and drop the webhooks module into your scenario workflow. Choose the Custom Webhook option in the webhooks module settings. Click on Add, and you will be prompted to name your webhook. Name your webhook appropriately to reflect its purpose, and then confirm your choice. Once you have named your webhook, Make will generate a unique URL for your webhook. Copy this webhook URL to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the application or service from which you will be sending events. In that application, look for the option to set up webhooks. Paste the webhook URL from Make into the webhook URL field in your service. Configure the specific events you want to send to your webhook. Save the settings in your external service. Return to the Make Scenario editor. Click Run once to start listening for incoming webhook events. Now, trigger an event in your external service that will send a webhook. Once the event is sent, return to Make and check for a received payload in the webhook module. You should see the data captured from the webhook event. Now that you have the data, you can add additional modules to process this information. Connect other modules to the webhooks module based on your desired workflow. Map the data fields from the webhook to the corresponding fields in the next modules. Once you have configured your scenario, save your changes. You can now activate your scenario to automatically handle incoming webhook events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.